Hi, I'm Pox.
I'm Couch Guy.
You're watching the Two Smart Guys show, where every week we bring you the latest in hacking, fun little gadgets and news and gadget hacking news.
Freeing your device from the slavery of the oppressive regime.
Yes, last week I got the opportunity to go down and attend the DEF CON security hacking conference down in Las Vegas.
Which, in reality, if you've never been, is really, really a good time.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It was packed because it was the 20th anniversary, and it was really cool. If you watched the little preview episode I posted a couple days ago on the badges, they were just a whole computer, like a Raspberry Pi, if you guys know what that is, which I hope to do an episode on. Eventually, I ordered one. The thing I wanted to talk about in this episode about DEF CON was the NinjaTel network. There's a group of people that like to give out these really cool badges for a really cool party, and this year they went over the top. They got badges that were cell phones.
That's really cool.
Yeah, the HTC One V5, whatever you want to call it, phone with a special firmware loaded on it, and it connected to a private network. They had a van with a 15-foot antenna parked in the vendor area, and it created a private cell phone network for everybody to log on and use.
Who had a phone?
Who had the NinjaTel phone. So it was very exclusive. They made 650 of them, which is a pretty large amount, really, for...
Yeah, but there's a huge amount of people that go to that conference.
Just giving away a phone.
Yeah.
And it got you into the Ninja Party, which is like an exclusive party on the last night of DEF CON. And they also gave away little pins that would also get you into the party if you donated blood or donated to the FF, or bone marrow if you donated bone marrow.
Talk about this network. What would it, for people who don't quite understand, what did they create?
Well, so they created a private GSM network that would also work over Wi-Fi as well. So in the event, so if they just, I don't know, if there was a disaster or just, they were doing it just for fun to be.
They made their own AT&T.
Yeah, they made their own telco that ran out of van, and it was software switched. So instead of having a huge office full of all this equipment, they were running an entire telco out of a van.
Yeah,
and then they drove it to the party.
Everyone's party.
Yeah, so they could drive it around, and they had special apps where people could buy like virtual drinks. And then they had a special soda machine, so you go up to the soda machine and it would give people who had the phone drinks, and it was really cool. And I wanted to show you really quick this clip. One of the guys from NinjaTel was showing me his phone. So here is the little explanation and some screens from this really unique little phone.
Sure.
Some footage of that. So this is the Ninja badge.
Yep.
So is it the phone or was it just the SIM?
No, it's everything. See how it says NinjaTel?
Everything on this phone is Ninja.
And it's connecting to that tower that they got in the
To the cell or through the Wi-Fi. You can actually also, all your phone numbers are already pre-added. So it's like new contacts, and everybody else that has Ninja badges that are working are up and running. And then when you reboot it, it actually has a custom flash screen. And it's like that. It's all branding. The SIM card. The SIM card is a custom SIM card. It's like everything is.
Is it the game? There's a version of the game on there, like from the previous years,
yes.
or
You can battle on it.
cool.
You call somebody and you initiate the battle that way. All the contacts in all 600 phones.
Yeah, and then I'll reboot it. Watch.
We're watching somebody battle.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
She was saying they only made like 600 of these.
That's what they were saying.
I'm sorry?
See, this is like a custom build that's like
Nice.
just
Is it like based on
else.
cyanogen or something, or?
that. It looks like it's built on their actual development distro.
Oh,
And here it goes.
nice.
And then when it boots up, it does that.
Cool. Anyways, that was the NinjaTel phone for those who didn't get to make it down to DEF CON, or even the fewer amount of people that didn't
have one.
Didn't get to have one. There was an estimated, from what I had heard, 10 to 15,000 people, and they actually had enough badges this year for everybody, and they for the regular badges they were selling them the last day if you wanted additional ones for $40.
Really?
Yeah. So it's the first time ever. They usually run out in the first 2 days, and it's a 4-day conference.
That's good. At least they know they have a better accurate count of how many people they need to make badges for. I know last year we had to skip around a line and we had to be really early.
Yeah, it was interesting. You could see on the bottom that they had a bunch of different people make them instead of like relying on one source, what they may or may not have done in the past.
Well, that's good. Spread the love. Make it all. Many hands makes light work.
So thanks everybody for watching the show and subscribing to the feed, because that lets you know whenever there's a new episode popping out. We try and put out an episode every Monday on YouTube, but to be sure and get it, subscribe to the feed, please. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
This has been the Two Smart Guys production.